Good morning, good morning. I have a question. Did you know that oil and water, they don't mix? Like literally don't. But what I found, when you pour regular water, any kind of water, from the bottle or from the tap, I don't know what you drink. By the way, let me know in the comments, what water do you drink? So literally oil and water, they don't mix. Right here, look, it separates. Like regular chemists or scientists, they will say it's don't mix. But what I found when I got into Japanese technology, what I found that there is one of 7 waters actually mixes, and it's safe to drink. That's why we wash off pesticides of our fruits and vegetables with this water. It's instantly pulls off the pesticides, and as you know, pesticides go into the bloodstream. They poison little children's, they cross blood-brain barrier. So that's how harmful. I'm here not to educate you right now. I know we are all busy, but I have information that I can share with you. Put info in the comment. I'd love to share with you some information and research. And yes, water and oil, they don't mix. But when you have high pH, this is the beauty of that. When you have high pH, it's gonna mix. And that's why I don't buy chemicals, because I can clean my oven with that water. It pulls off all this grease. If you only see with like restaurant owners, when they get to this hoods, cleaning hoods, it's with dust, it's just like so, and you just pss, 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 like this. In fact, I have a spray bottle right here. That's how I clean, like simply. It's safe for children. I mean, it's not for drinking, but you spray it and it pulls off the grease and all this kind of stuff. So yes, oil and water, but depends on the pH, that's what it is. The surface of tension. Thank you so much for your attention. You have a blessed Saturday. And share this video if you feel like somebody would like to know, or go back and rewatch it. Go back and rewatch it. Great stuff.